Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor on iOS. Now the first thing you should do is to open your iPhone and go to the settings. Then once you go to the settings, you should go and navigate to this option right here, background app refresher. Just tap on it. And after that, make sure that this option is on while using the Wi-Fi and mobile data. The second thing that you should do in the settings is to simply go and navigate to battery settings and make sure that this option right here, low power mode, is turned off. Now that was the pre-setup process. Now let's get into the main steps. First, you'll have to open your browser. Then you'll need to search for this option right here, or this program, Nox GPT. Just download it or use it on the browser. This is like the ChatGPT program, but this will not need any subscription or logging in. After that, I want you to search here in this bar right here for Delta. Just type Delta, then click on this button right here. And after that, we'll show you here all of this text. They'll tell you all the details. Tells you that you can use it without using the computer or e-sign. And you can also bypass the key check, and they will show you more details like photos and all these steps of doing the process. Now I want you to go up, then click on press here, and after that it will show you here this page. You'll just have to click on start, and they will ask you to give it the permission. You can simply click on inject. Then here, as you can see, it shows you that it is downloading the data, and this will inject the Delta Executor or set up the Delta Executor directly onto your phone, so you don't have to uninstall Roblox application and you don't have to do anything. And I forgot to tell you that this method will work either you're using an Android phone or an iOS one. After that, will take a couple of minutes loading like this. And after that, you will find right here that the game name has changed from Roblox to Delta. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.